Hi everyone, if you enjoyed that intro, just leave a comment in the comment section and let me know if you'd want to see that intro again. Now, today we are having a very beautiful bouquet, balloon or balloon bouquet. Either ways, it's a very simple design as always. Yes, I like it. Very simple, quick and easy to make. Yes, not something complicated, not something that would have to hassle over. So yeah, basically it's just a bouquet, and we'll be building our base for this beautiful decoration. In order for the balloons to be arranged over one another, we would be needing the 5-inch balloons to be in between. This way it will be well arranged, and I'm using the leftover from the tied balloon to connect next balloon. This way our balloons are tied securely, but if you don't want to do that, you can use a long balloon, that's the 260 or 360, or even your ribbon. The next base that I built upon this one, I used the long balloon because the tied balloon at the base was not enough to join the one on top of it. So it's perfectly fine to either use a ribbon or a long balloon or the remaining from the tied balloon to connect one another. The most important thing is to connect your balloons together and to be sure that the balloons are securely in place. So here is our base. Our base is created. On the side of the balloons, I filled in a water balloon, which would help it to be firm to the floor. And now we'll be attaching our hula loop. Yes, I love hula loops because you can create wonders with it. If you know a way around it, you can create wonders with it. So I'm attaching the hula loop with the 260 balloon to the base. I would be using it on both sides, one on each side. Now it's time to attach our flowers, which will be bringing out the beauty of this bouquet. So putting it on the base to cover that part of the hula loop, and then we would be having more round the hula loop. Just wrap it round on both sides. For this I used two, wrapped it round on both sides, and then I used a third one as the base, which was covering the hula loop on the base. So this is what we have at the moment. But no, it's not over yet. This looks a bit too boring. We can add a little bit of more fun or create more life to it, don't you think? So we'll be adding this. Yeah, I just twisted the balloons a bit and used my glue gum to attach it to the base of the balloons. I've created something like this and I have the video up, please check, and you can see how to create that flower. Yeah, so adding this now, this is what we have. I hope you like it. I enjoyed making this. It was really fun. You can use it for any occasion, guys. Trust me, you would love it. Leave your comments in the comment section, ask questions, and let me know what you think about this decoration. Thank you. God bless.